showers and thunderstorms before 8 p.m., then a slight chance of thunderstorms between 8 p.m. and 2 a.m. Showers likely after 8 p.m. Rainfall amounts between the This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems.